So over here you can see that I have an element right here which has more complex details. But sometimes you need to work with something simple, and in that case you can add around shapes. So to do that, over here on the left hand side you can see that shapes is an option, and there are many different shapes that you can add in. So they work in similar way of the element right here, but if I were to go to shapes, then you get more simple shapes like there's a square, as you can see right here. So I can go around and click right here, and you can see that the square is added. If I were to go around, click on the cross and click over here, the cross is added in right here, as you can see. The way you can edit out the shapes is the same way as you edit out elements. There are the fills, as you can see right here. You can add around linear gradient right here. You can go around add in radial gradient right here, or you can go for flat color, as you can see. You can also add in a border, as you can see right here, just like this, and choose around the color just like this as well. And then you can also go around and add in a shadow over here, just like this. So you can go around and check it out right here and increase up the blur as well. So working around with this is the same. You can change around the dimension over here and the direction over here as well. So now over here there's a limited number of shapes that you can see right here. So you can go around and click right here, bring that in, and then work around with it as you like. And that is how you can add around shapes as you like inside a Vectr. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.